Okay, so as I look at this window here, it's kind of a funky situation. It's an old window, they put it in a long time ago. I was pulling on it, some of this trim right here, and I've already cracked the window right there. And I'm pulling this piece off right here. And if you look up, the top of the window is actually buried up in there underneath that T111 siding, which is this kind of siding right here. So I'm almost as crazy as it sounds. I'm thinking about, well, I'm gonna take that piece out after I trim a little bit of the shingles. I don't want to ruin those shingles completely, because I think I want to save the bottom shingles there. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm unplugged here. Hang on just a second. Okay, I'm coming. Anyway, I'm going to trim a little bit of this shingles. Come on. I'm still unplugged. I got all these old cords here. I'm doing that to save the shingles so I don't bust all these up right here. So now I can come in here and pull this piece out of there, and we'll go from there.